is good, what is good, what is good, what is good, what is good, YouTube. Trade recap. Mixed things today. I mean, I'm happy, but I'm not, like, you know, okay. Let's get into it anyway. Trade number one. Actually, no, I only took one trade, sorry. Bias. I had a bullish bias today as, pardon me, we had a SMT of Asia lows, I believe. Yep, SMT of Asia lows. Wanted to see how we reacted off of open. There was two scenarios where I could have seen. If we closed below here and continue to go lower, would have looked for the shorts up until previous day low. Same going here. If we invalidated this S&T, came all the way down, would have looked for shorts the previous day low. Anyway, that did not happen. We opened. What did we do? We ripped. Ripped to the upside. Literally gave no entry on any time frame. Nothing. So I saw this and I was like, okay, sweet. I used to be like, okay, I'm done trading for the day. I'm done. I'm not taking another trade. But now I'm trying to adapt because I was catching 0 trades doing that. So today, what did I wait for? I waited for a retracement. We got a beautiful retracement on both index. I mean, ES gave the better retrace. That's why I took the trade on ES. But realistically, I should have taken the trade on NQ. Anyway, we came up. There was, I think, a couple long entries in there. If you're a FOMO idiot. Anyway, we retraced down on both indexes. I think we hit the equilibrium of this range. I mean, I don't usually look at equilibrium, but it was kind of nice in this situation as we were very overextended and I didn't want to take a long. We came all the way down. We formed this 2-minute inverse fair value gap here. Took the trade up there. See, it was quite far up the entry. Doesn't matter. I suppose I could have waited for some sort of retracement, but then I probably wouldn't have taken the trade. So anyway, once we got that, I entered, and price came up, came back down, tapped the 3-minute fair value gap, I believe. Then came back up, and I went break even there. I also went break even because we did close a 5-minute as well. So I thought that was quite high confluence, but then again, should I have gone break even there? No, I probably should have gone break even at my initial high, which was here. But then I did see this trade on ENQ, which was so much better. So this one here would have been, but I think my TP would have been there. So that could have been the trade that I taken. So yeah, NQ gave the better trade, which I should have taken. ES gave the trade that I saw. Should I have gone break even there? No, I should not be making this mistake. I don't know where I should have gone break even there where I am now, but I think we're going to reverse because we just swept that 15-minute high. So yeah, long story short, price came up. Beautiful move up. I waited for the retracement into some sort of equilibrium. We filled a lot of 5-minute fair value gaps. Sweet, this is a good place to go long. Looked for the long on ES. We got this 2-minute inverse fair value gap here. Looked to long up until these highs. Price did that 2-minute retraced up. I went break even slightly too early, but I think this trade was good. I'm happy. I think I'm slowly, we don't want to jinx myself, but slowly starting to find my edge in the market. But overall, I'm happy with how my trading has been recently. It's just my emotions, but emotions are so hard to overcome. So, but depending on how this moves, I think I might, I would most likely get stopped out, break even this position as well. But then again, I may have taken my profits at those highs. Probably wouldn't have because it wouldn't have even been a 1-to-1. So yeah, tricky day, break even, but price action moved good today. I don't know if I'm going to trade tomorrow because we have a lot of news. We've got CPI and PPI, I believe. So, but yeah, to gather from this trade, should have looked at both indexes. NQ gave they're both like not bad trades. So yeah, it's all good, and yeah, I'd be pretty close to break even. But anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate all the support I've been getting recently on TikTok, on the Discord, and even the YouTube. You know, I appreciate you guys. Or my Instagrams. I appreciate you guys so much more than you can even imagine. And I promise you, boys, I'm gonna continue to work harder and harder and harder and harder and harder. And one day, you guys will look at this. I'll be like, I knew him when he was small. I knew him when he was small. But that's it for me, guys. I appreciate. Actually, no, we'll wait here and see what this position does. Actually, so then you guys can see for yourselves. If I would have got break even out here, I think even it was a little bit crappier fill, so probably around there. But actually, no. You guys can look at it in the morning. I'm pretty sure. Oh, who knows? All right, I love and appreciate you guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.